Once your advert has been completed and you are ready for it to be exported, you are going to click on the share button, which is on the top, and then you can give it a name. You'll then need to select a place to save it. So if we click on our documents, we'll go into our IT folder, we'll go into year 11, and then we'll go into our video folder. We can save it in the main part here. If you click on advanced settings, you can see we've got it set there to 720p, which is fine. Frame rate is set to 50, and then the quality is set to high as well. Once you're happy, click on the export button, and then this will start the process. Now, depending on how many skills you've used, will depend on how long this will take. As you can see on my computer at the moment, it's going to take around about sort of 3 to 4 minutes to complete. Once done, you can then upload this to Teams for safekeeping.